Hi again! Welcome to our YouTube channel, Research Ready and Student Matters Hub by Doc Lin. So this video is for our college freshmen. So some of you might ask, Mom, should I join school clubs or organizations when I am in college? So for me, depende. Depende sa inyong kagustuhan, depende sa inyong professional development na gusto nyong tahakin, depende sa inyong preferences, depende sa goal nyo kung gusto nyong tapusin ang 4-year degree course ninyo. Ngayon, if you're aiming for a Latin honors, I might suggest that you must join school clubs or organizations because at all costs, I assure you, makakatulong ito sa inyo. Now, in order for you to help decide whether you are going to join school club or student organizations, these things you might consider. Number 1 is your interest and passion. Nasaan ba talaga yung interest mo? Aside from your academics, kasi meron ding mga school organizations or clubs na has something to do with the academics. So, kunyari mga English club, mathematics club, social studies club, junior secretarial society club, or any other clubs na meron kinalaman pagdating sa pag-enhance ng inyong skills sa particular na course na meron kayo. Pwede rin naman na mas interesado ka or yung passion mo is dancing, basketball, volleyball, badminton, singing, acting. So, piliin mo saan ka ba mas interesado. Ngayon, kung pipiliin mo silang lahat dahil interesado ka, depende yan sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng maapektuhan yung academics mo sa pag-join mo ng mga school club or student organizations. Pangalawang kailangan mong tanungin sa iyong sarili, yung time commitment. Am I committed to join the school club or student organization? Kakayanin ba ng oras ko? Magaling ba ako sa time management? Can I manage my time wisely? Completing my academic requirements at the same time also joining meetings of these student clubs or organizations? So magaling ba akong mag-manage ng time? At kaya ba ng physical health ko? Kaya ba ng emotional health ko na pinagsasabay ko silang lahat? So, importante yung time commitment. Kasi kung magjo-join ka at first pero hindi ka naman committed, hindi mo ma-serve yung purpose kung bakit ka sumasali sa school club or student organization. Pangatlo, kung decided ka nang sumali sa student organization, alamin mo muna. Anong leadership opportunities ang pwedeng ibigay nitong student organization na ito sa akin? May enhance ba yung aking confidence? Mabuboost ba yung moral ko? Yung social conversation skills ko ba ay mai-enhance? So, paano mo gagawin yan? So, paano namin yung gagawin yun? Ma'am, bago ka sumali, you might have inquiry, questions, or investigations, or you might ask also others who are members of the organization na gusto mong salihan kung ano ba yung goal, purpose, mission, at vision nung student organization na sasalihan mo. You might also ask colleagues or yung mga graduates na kung ano ba yung pinaka-the best na pwedeng salihan na school organizations or clubs. Another thing that you have to consider is the networking potential. Yung mga networking potential, very common yan sa mga student organization na academics. So, kung meron kayong organization sa inyong kurso, nag-establish kasi ng linkages yan. Paano yan makakatulong sa inyo? Etong mga linkages or professional linkages, later on, kapag naging member ka yan at consistent ka, it might help you in finding a job after you have completed your degree. Not only these linkages within your school, but also national or international. Lalo na kung maganda at na-establish yung school organization or academic organization na yon dun sa course na meron ka. So, ibig sabihin, nag-i-establish siya ng network potential. Ganon din, kung meron kang mga ibang organization na sasalihan, tignan mo din. Ano ba yung mga network potential na pwedeng ibigay sa akin at pwedeng makatulong sa akin at pwedeng makapag-enhance sa akin bilang isang individual? Ito bang sasalihan ko ay meron bang network potential? Others might also consider the community impact. Depende siguro kung ano yung sasalihan mong school organization. So yung sinasabi nating community impact, minsan kasi merong mga estudyante na ang puso ay nasa community para tumulong. So might as well find a student organization na ganun yung purpose or ganun yung ginagawa. Pero hindi ko ibig sabihin na itong mga ibang student organization na to ay hindi pwedeng tumulong sa community. Po pwede. Kasi po pwede rin kayong mag-conduct ng mga extension activities sa community na kayo yung magli-lead or mag-spearhead para naman ma-enhance ninyo yung skills ninyo at ma-practice ninyo kung ano yung goals na dapat i-achieve ba ng inyong school or student organization. Ngayon, kung ang purpose mo naman ay enhance ang iyong cultural at artistic expression, maghanap ka rin ng school organization na makakatulong nito sa iyo. So, there might be so many inside your university or college. So, bahala ka na lang mamili. Depende kung ano yung preference mo. You might look at their history, their background, their experiences, and the most important, their accomplishments. So, kung nag-i-exist na tong organization na to for a very long period of time, ano na yung kanyang mga accomplishments. That might help you as an individual to enhance yourself. But that also can be the reason to join that organization if that organization is under-accomplished. Might be, pwede mong isipin na siguro, kaya ko kailangan mag-join dito kasi I will be an ingredient in order for this organization to accomplish something. So, depende kasi kung ano yung purpose mo, kung bakit ka sumasali. Pero ang importante, dapat bago ka mag-join at i-commit yung sarili mo sa isang school club or student organization, alam mo yung purpose mo. Another na kailangan mo i-consider yung club dynamics. So, pag sinabi nating dynamics yung movement, is it only within the local or outside of the community or even mas malayo pa yung nararating or yung linkages ng club mo? Kailangan natin to kasing i-consider kasi each club has a different schedules to attend to. At bilang isang club member or member ng isang organization, meron ka ding responsibilidad. Hindi ka lang sasali doon as a member but you have also your role. And based on the dynamics of the club, it might encourage you or oblige you na kailangan a-attend ka or kailangan mong merong ma-accomplish doon sa school club or organization mo. Baka later, ma-realize mo, ay hindi ko pala kaya i-accomplish kung ano yung kailangan na gawin ko. Kasi lahat ng club at student organizations, they have their own constitution and bylaws. And when you are joining such club, dapat aware ka dun sa constitution and bylaws ng sasalihan mong club or organization because you might violate something na unaware ka. Ulitin ko, yung club dynamics, dapat alam mo yung movement or yung dynamics ng school club na papasukin mo para naman maka-attend ka kung ano yung responsibilidad na dapat mong gawin bilang isang member or isang officer ng isang student organization. Another na pwede mong tanungin, ano yung long-term benefits nitong mga student organization na sasalihan ko? Para sa akin, as a professor and as I have observed all of my students, wala kang talo pag sasali ka sa student organization. Kasi after completing your course, kung wala ka mang ma-achieve na certificate or something or award, pero na-enhance yung ibang skills na meron ka bilang isang estudyante na pwede mong magamit kapag ikaw ay magtatrabaho na. Number 1 yung leadership skills. Pangalawa yung socialization skills. Pangatlo, yung communication skills. Idagdag pa natin yung decision-making skills. Minsan, merong mga ibang university na kapag consistent ka sa accomplishment mo, you join the student club or organization when you are in first year, and all throughout your college years, you have spent your life helping the student organization. Sometimes there are universities who are awarding this type of student. Depende kung ano yung commitment mo at naitulong mo dun sa student club or organization. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, pag mag-join ka ng school club or organization, there is no losing point. No? Panalo ka dyan. Kasi maraming mga skills at capabilities mo ang mai-enhance. And there is no question to that. Once you are there, You have to enjoy and have fun becoming a member. Kung nagiging stressful na sa part mo yung pag-join ng student or school organization na meron ka, siguro mag-isip ka what will be your decision, especially if it is affecting your academic life. So you have to choose, but it's a matter always of time management. Kung committed ka naman dun sa school organization na yon, why not commit to both student org at the same time your academic achievement? Okay, so yun yung kailangan yung tandaan if you wanted to join a school club or student organization. Walang pilitan ang pagsali sa student organization or school club. Depende na lang kung merong mga school club or organization na automatically member na ang isang college student. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And always remember, we unlock insights to empower your minds. Thanks for watching and see you on our next lesson video.